Hello, let's learn about the Persian Empire. It was one of the biggest empires in the world. It started more than 2,500 years ago. The Persian Empire began around 550 BC. It started with a king named Cyrus the Great. He united many lands. He made a big, strong empire. The capital city was Persepolis. It was full of palaces and stone columns. The empire had many people and many cultures. People spoke different languages and had different traditions. But Cyrus said, "You can keep your religion and your customs." People liked that. They followed him with peace. The empire grew bigger. After Cyrus, his son Cambyses ruled. Then came Darius the Great. He made new roads, coins, and laws. He ruled many lands, from India to Egypt. One famous road was the Royal Road. Messengers on horses carried news across the empire. It was fast for that time. The Persian army was strong. They wore armor and carried spears. They fought in many battles. One king, Xerxes, went to war with Greece, but the Greeks won in the end. Later, in 330 BC, a young king came from the west. His name was Alexander the Great. He came from Macedonia. He wanted to take Persia. He won many battles. He took the cities. He burned Persepolis. The Persian Empire ended. But the people and culture did not end. They became part of new empires. They still kept their ideas and language. Today, the land of Persia is called Iran. Iran means land of the Aryans. Many people in Iran still speak Persian or Farsi. It is a very old language. In Iran today, you can see ruins of Persepolis. You can see carvings, old roads, and ancient art. The memory of the Persian Empire is still alive. The Persians gave the world roads, laws, coins, and smart ideas. They were strong, wise, and proud. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and write a comment. See you next time.